Welcome back to my channel, guys, and I hope you're all well and staying safe. And please ensure that you subscribe, and that you press that bell so every single time I post my amazing content, you are the first to view it. So what I'm going to be doing is a quick DIY makeup tongue twister makeup removal tutorial. And all you're going to need is simply coconut oil, and after I've applied the coconut oil, I'm just going to be applying my simple facial gel wash that deeply cleanses without skin feeling tight, and it gives your face a water boost. And then I'm just going to lather it in. And that's literally the quickest way to remove your makeup. And what this is going to do is going to help you to achieve glowing skin. It does kind of like smudge things everywhere, but don't worry, because the end result is going to be really good. Trust me on that one. But I don't want my eyebrows to And what I like about the coconut oil is you can actually massage your face whilst removing your makeup. And then, so that don't spill, it just comes off so quick and easy, and it leaves the skin looking so healthy and glowing. So guys, if you're looking for a budget way and you don't even have any of our product to use and any of our skincare products, you can literally just use the coconut oil and it literally does the job. And it's not harsh on the skin, and it has a lot of skincare properties. Now guys, now that I've rinsed off the coconut oil with cold water, I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel wash. And this is also similar to the coconut oil, but this just gives me a bit more surety that there's no product left on my skin, even though the coconut oil has already done its job. But I just like to go over things just to be safe, because the worst thing is waking up and you have pimples and spots, and oh my gosh, it's like the worst feeling ever. just to let you know guys, my next video is going to be on teeth whitening, and I'm actually about to do that straight after I'm finished with this tutorial. So please make sure you tune in, because it is going to be a DIY teeth whitening if you want your teeth to be as white as mine. And there you go, smooth, glowing skin. And that was so quick. This literally took about 2 minutes. My face feels so free and smooth, literally feel baby smooth. And guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.